Hello, Scott. I wanted to catch you before you went off onto the job site today. I had a question for you. I've been hearing a lot about quartz in the news recently. Could you explain to me why I'm hearing about that?
There's two things going on with quartz right now. One involves safety, and the other involves trade.
What does the safety involve?
Okay, the safety with quartz is it's been determined that a lot of fabrication shops are having problems with quartz dust, and it's causing some serious health problems for their workers. So there's an industry-wide concern right now of dealing with quartz dust,
So you're talking about in the manufacturing of it?
predominantly in the manufacturing and installation.
And what about the trade?
The trade is U.S. Trade Commission has looking into how much outside imported quartz is coming into the United States and how severely that's affecting the U.S. quartz industry and installation industry.
If I understand how the Trade Commission works, they gather information and then they send information to, is it the president for determination?
Yes, the final determination on most Trade Commission things is done by the President of the United States.
What could we see as a potential outcome depending on what information is sent to the president and what the president decides? How could that affect us in the kitchen and bath industry with our customers?
Well, first of all, you may see higher prices
On what?
on quartz.
Oh,
installed quartz. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So,
And you also might see longer lead times on quartz because we're now leaning more on our U.S. vendors. And you might see fewer options available in material too because there's less vendors being able to produce.
how many of our customers typically choose quartz countertops versus some of the other options out there?
You know, quartz hasn't been our top seller, but it is a significant. I'd say it's probably our number 2 seller in countertops right now.
Okay. And what alternatives that might be domestic would you recommend?
Well, for one, Cambria quartz is a domestically created product, and it's fantastic, and I'd recommend. There's always granite, natural stone, marble, solid surface, which is something we fabricate, and there's good laminate countertops too. There's also options with metal and other interesting materials as well that can be used for countertops.
So there are several options regardless of what happens with this. Are you concerned about whatever is going to happen with the quartz or for kitchen and bath countertops?
You know, my experience with trends are that quartz is kind of been a trend and it will phase in and out, and some other material will come in and take its place for a while and be just as beautiful and just as durable.
Well, thank you for taking a few minutes and explaining that to us. That's a little update from Scott's Kitchen and Bath.